Okay, so this time we're going to answer negative 21 d cubed e raised to 7 f raised to 5 divided by 7d squared e raised to 7 f raised to 3 or f cubed. Step 1. Divide the numerical coefficient if necessary. Or do you think we can divide negative 21 and 7? Yes, because they are both divisible by 7. Okay, first divide negative 21 by 7. So negative 21 divided by 7. Okay, what is the sign? Negative 3. Then after that, simplify the literal coefficient. Sa literal coefficient, meron tayong technique. Kung saan mas mataas yung exponent, nung same variable, dun magstay. Okay, here, what are the same variables? We have D, E, and F. So lahat sila ay may kaparehas. Tama po ba? Start muna tayo kay letter D. Okay, we have D cubed and D squared. Saan po mas mataas ang exponent? Nasa numerator or denominator? Meaning, si letter D ay sa numerator magstay. Then, subtract the exponent. 3 minus 2, or just simply imaginary 1. Next tayo kay letter E. E raised to 7. E raised to 7. Ika-cancel na lang natin. Do we need to write 1? No na, kasi meron pa naman tayong variables dito. Next, F raised to 5 divided by F raised to 3. Saan po mas mataas ang exponent? Nasa numerator or denominator? Saan magstay ang letter F? Sa taas. Then just subtract the exponent. 5 minus 3? Okay, may natira po pa sa denominator. Therefore, this is the answer. What if the given expression is like this? I see here. Step 1, identify if we can divide the given numerical coefficient. We can divide, do you think we can divide 36 and 9? Yes, because they are both divisible by 9. 36 divided by 9, 4. Then, x squared divided by x raised to 5. Saan magstay? Taas, baba? Sa baba naman. Copy the variable, then subtract the exponent. 5 minus 2, 3. Next, y cubed, y raised to 4. Taas, baba? Baba rin siya. 4 minus 3, or just simply imaginary. Atong si 4, lagay na natin sa gitna. So, therefore, this is the final answer. Okay, now, what if the given expression is like this? Pwede po ba natin kayang i-divide anak si 10 kay 45? Pwede, pero magkakaroon tayo ng decimal, right? Okay, so pag ganyan ang given natin na numerical coefficient, so what we're going to do, kung hindi kayang i-divide, i-lowest term po. Okay, pwede po ba kaya natin i-lowest term si 10 at si 45? Yes, because 10 and 45 are both divisible by what? Very good, by 5. So, hindi natin kayang i-divide, i-lowest term na lang natin. Or, pwedeng i-divide by their GCF. So, si 5, anong tawag sa kanya? GCF. What is the meaning of GCF? Greatest, yes, Garcia? Okay, the greatest common factor. Paano anak kinukuha si greatest common factor? Okay, first, list all the factors of 10. Okay, ano ma'am yung factors? Mag-isip po tayo anak ng dalawang number na kapag pinag-multiply mo, 10 ang sagot. Anyone? Yes, anak. 5 times 2. Okay, 5 times 2. Ano pa po? Yes, anak. 10 times 1. Meron pa po ba? Kung wala na, list all the factors from least to greatest. So, ano yung pinakamababa? 1, 2, 5, and 10. Okay, kay 45 naman po tayo. Give me a factors of 45. 5 times 9. Ano pa po? 15 times 3. Very good. And 45 times 1. Meron pa po ba? Kung wala na, list all the factors. So, ang tawag dito ay mga factors nila. So, start tayo sa pinakamababa. We have 1, 3, 5, 9, 15, and 45. Then, after writing all the factors of 10 and 45, encircle the common factors. So, what are those? 1, 5, meron pa po ba? Okay, now, what is the greatest common factors? Okay, therefore, our GCF is 5. So, what we're going to do is, we need to divide the GCF by the given numbers. Okay, 10 divided by 5, 2. Then, 45 divided by 5. What will be the sign of 9? Magiging negative 9. So, ito ang lowest term niya. Therefore, the simplest form of 10 and 45 is 2 over 9. Nagets na po. Okay, then after that, simplify the literal coefficient. So, m squared divided by m raised to 5. Taas, baba. Bakit baba? Mas malaki ang 5 kesa kay 2. So, this will become m. Then, subtract the exponent. 5 minus 2, 3. Next, n squared, n squared. Just cancel na lang. Since, parehas yung base, pati yung exponent, equal siya sa 1. Next, p raised to 5, p raised to 7. Up or down? Down. This will become p raised to 2 or p squared. Na-simplify na po pa lahat. Therefore, this is the answer.